Ito po ang by Feli, kaya ako po hinanap ng matindi because of the reviews that I was able to check online, and mga reviews ng mga professional nagvo-voice over and mga nagre-review. Ganda ng review nitong mic nito. So, I'm very, very curious. So, bumili muna ako. So, ito, we have two types. We have yung mga nare-review nila na 25mm. And then yung upgraded version, which is the 34mm. So, buksan natin. Ito na lang, since ito yung majority na mga reviews online. Kung ano ba talaga ang hype nitong microphone na to at bakit pinagkakaguluhan ngayon. Okay, so yes, we have a manual. So far, English naman. And then, since this is an XLR condenser microphone, it has a free XLR mic cable. And then, sige, pabukas. Meron tayong shock mount with their brand, by Feli. And itong ating pinakahintay na microphone. Ayan. Bigat siya. It has some weight. Ito yung microphone. Ganda ng paggagawa. Matte finish yung pinaka-black niya. And then, two-tone siya. Gold sa front. Parang dark gray or parang black pala. Black sa likod. So, let's remove the plastic. And then, hawakan na natin. Yan. So, medyo familiar yung logo. So, this is their logo by Feli. Yan. Ganda talaga yung paggagawa. And then, makikita natin yung diaphragm na sisilip siya actually. Doon mo makikita talaga na iba siya compared dun sa mga binibenta online. Ayan. So, it has some weight. Mabigat siya talaga. Pwedeng na try natin. Albert, tapon ko sa ulo mo. Hindi, joke lang, ha?
Mabigat po siya, guys.
Mabigat. Ano na, sabi mo? Mabigat po siya, guys. Okay, very good. Sorry, mali pala yung sinabi ko, masyadong masama na itatapon natin sa kanya. Anyways, mabigat po siya talaga. So, this is the by Feli C414 microphone. We'll do some tests and then we'll share it. But for now, hindi ako na-fail sa itsura. So, weight, so quality, yung pagkagawa, and all that. So, watch out for the next video for our sound test or check. Anyways, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.